Why, hello. Let's get the glare out of my glasses there. It is Joe, your Lego man, back once again. Continuing what I tried to start the other day during Father's Day, and that is rebuild my Lego lighthouse. Uh, you've all know the story. Lighthouse on table, chair hits lighthouse, lighthouse crashes. Anyway, now it's time to rebuild it. First step, I gotta find that instruction book. A lot of my instructions have been keeping on the shelf. There's really no organization to it. So I did find them. Now, in searching for the instructions, I also found more boxes to cut. So they're stacked up in my box cutting corner. I'll get to them at some point. But first, let's get this lighthouse back together. So here are both books. So I'm going to do that. Somewhat get this organized so I can start from it. And as far as what we got the other day, it's sitting there until I get around to building it. Anyway, let's focus. So this is it all spread out. So these are the pieces that kind of stayed more together. I know these are all going to be along here for the base plate. And I got the instruction book open at page 1 because basically what I'm going to do when I rebuild Lego sets, I get my book, start on page 1, get to the set to see where I'm at, and I'll eventually get to this step in here and kind of go from there. I may have to take some of this apart, as you can see, as I just turn that on. So it still works, see? Still works, but anyway. I know this part here is going to go some right here, so I'll get that all taken care of. There's all the loose pieces. Enough talk, let's build. Everything is coming along quite nicely, and I'm at the point where I gotta put the observation deck and the light of the lighthouse on. So that would be step number 475. So I get to this point here, and I need 4 of these. As it turns out, number 4 for me is busted. So this one here, obviously when this whole thing took a tumble, that's the only piece that broke. So now I gotta find a replacement, and I hope I got one in my inventory. So after an extensive search of my inventory, the closest thing I can get to replacing this piece is with these, which probably is not going to work too well. So what I'm going to do, I'm not even going to worry about it. I'm just going to put it together without that, and then when I do get a replacement, I'll replace it. Time to carry on. Finally done. The lighthouse has been rebuilt. The waterfront is back to where it used to be. So we have Jericho's little island here. We got his pirate ship. We got the turtles back. And we got the dolphin enjoying a little splash before you get to the inlet there. And of course, the lighthouse. Aurora Point, back up and running. Back in the city, which will, I think, be moving. Now that I got Minas Tirith from Lord of the Rings, I'm thinking maybe all of these here are going to go into that studio and make that my storage area. And I think the city might have to go here and get like a little elevated space. It's an idea, but I think I will have to move the city, expand it, do a little bit more, redo the layout a little bit. But of course, everything will be kept in. And I got to bring other buildings in, so it's on the to-do list, people. But now that the lighthouse is here, it'll guide me, keep me going forward. So like, subscribe, drop a comment, and we'll see you soon.